We have a collection of photos here. Let's put them in a dynamic grid for easy editing later. Let's start by converting all the images to auto layout layer. After that, select all the frames and turn them into another auto layout with Shift+A. Right now, all the images are in different grid blocks. I'll rename this grid, which holds all our rows and columns. On the right panel, we have the grid layout settings for row and column widths. Right here, I've set all the columns to fill container. The same applies to the height, so that the content inside each grid block will stretch to fit the width. Next, we'll set all the images within the frames to fill container. I've removed all padding and gaps from all the frames and images. I also set the frame height to fill container. I removed the gap between columns here for a better look. Now, when we pull it to the right, you'll see the content doesn't fit correctly. Now, we'll go back, select the entire grid, and set it to hug contents. One last step, we need to make sure our outer grid container is set to hug contents. Now, as you resize the column, the content inside stretches along with it. That's all! Now, you can try it out for yourself.